go see Rusty? That's his friend Rusty up there. Yeah, they already said hello, so now they've done their business. Hi, Rusty. Oh, no, really? Oh, yeah, you gotta be careful with that. The people from the ribs place do that. Hi, Rusty. Hi.
You see Cosmos and
Hey.
I haven't seen him in a long time.
I know, right? Hi, Rusty. You're beautiful. Right. I try to come any different time because if my husband has him on a schedule, I don't like to have him on a schedule because then he bugs you, you know?
Yeah, I know because I don't have Rusty really on a schedule because sometimes we come different times. Just when I feel like coming out to walk.
Hi, Rusty. You're beautiful. Hi. Hello. Cosmo checking you out. You tell him what you want. You can tell him. Set him straight, Rusty.
Oh, goodness. I tell you, Rusty be so happy when he see another friendly face out.
Oh, I know, right? You love your friend Rusty, huh, Cosmo?
Another little dog Rusty play with a lot is Coco.
Oh, really? I haven't met a Coco.
You know the guy used to walk with the oxygen tent?
Yes.
Is he doing okay?
I don't
Because
know.
I haven't seen him. I've came different times and I haven't seen him walking no more.
I
always love to try to play with Rusty.
Oh, I know. He was really good with all the dogs. Cosmo was even able to let him pet him, and he doesn't normally let men pet him. But
He didn't either. And he would get down and put his hand, and Rusty would look at him, but Rusty would be excited when he seen him.
right.
Rusty would not let him pet him.
Oh, Cosmo finally let him. I'm trying to remember his name. I want to say Dave, but that's not right. I actually have his number in my phone, so I'll have to.
I was just worried about him because, you know, he would be out here walking with his oxygen tent.
I know. Well, I know he really was doing good with the walking. And did you know they only gave him 6 months to live?
No.
Yeah. And it's been, you know, well past that.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
Such a nice man.
I know. He was lonely, lost his wife, you know. A lot of people die of a broken heart.
Yeah.
Hi, Rusty. Cosmo's like, I don't want you to win. I don't want you to win. Oh.
I had time adjusting when, that's why I got him. Because when my husband passed, I felt like I just wanted to wilt away.
Oh, I am so sorry.
So he died in 2016, and I got him in September 2016.
Thanks for watching.